This is a review of picture light. This is not only for picture, but also you can use it for the frames. It has stepless dimming, 3 lighting modes, and 300 lumens. It has inside the box remote control, large capacity lithium battery, USB recharging or plugging using, timing function, no strobing, eye care. Let's see what we have inside the box. Here is the remote controller. USB-C charging cable. And there's a screw pack. Here is the instructions. And let's take it out. Here is the light. Here is the charging area. This area is touchable. Let's take this out and try to use it. Turn it on and off. And different temperatures, brightness. Now it's the highest. This is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 120 minutes, 2 hours. Here is the light base. You need to install it on the wall, and then you're gonna put it like that. It's a strong magnet. See, it is very strong. You can put it however you want. Let's go ahead and install and see how it is working. I installed it over here because at night I need a light and I'm playing piano under the lights. Let me go ahead and change the temperature and brightness. And let me lower it down. Okay, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 120 minutes. We're gonna locate it at night and see. Let's go ahead and test it out at night. Now you can see and change the temperature. And brightness.